Start of our final game. Big CS Boys versus Blue Rage. F1 VS Season 3 Papas Division League Day 2 final game. We're going to start. Both teams proper tuck-in. Any accessories, please pakitanggal po. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you, salamat. Mamaya na.
Big C got the ball. Castillo, three-pointer long, no good. Castillo, first three-pointer. Number 77. To number 33, three-pointer, no good. Hernandez. Number 29, Vicencio, no good. Number 33, D, no good. Orbito, got blocked. But D got it again, loader, no good. Orbito again. To Mariano, 10 seconds to shoot. Mariano jumper, got fouled. Foul number 21. First personal foul. First team foul. 2 free throws for Mariano. First free throw no good for Mariano. Second free throw is good for Mariano. First points of this game. Number 28, dribbling the ball. Perez to Castillo. Castillo drives. Castillo, 2 points for Castillo. Perry. Blocked. Sardea, wide open three, no good. Perry got the rebound. To Mariano. Mariano jumper again is good. 2 points for Mariano. Assist by Philly. Castillo. Long three-pointer. Castillo to Ray. B to 3. Turning it over. Castillo to Castro. Castro waiting for his teammates. Castro will try the three-pointer. Is good. Castro. Hooray. Mariano. Today. To Sardea. Sardea. No good. Rebounded by Fernandez. To Castillo. Castillo. To Vicencio, no good. D got the rebound. D to Billy. Billy. 2 points for Billy. When banana. Julius Cody Billy. Perez to Castillo. Castillo again, three-pointer. No good. Billy got the rebound. Billy to Mariano. Mariano attack. Mariano 2 points. It's good. 1 point lead for Big Z. Castillo. Dribbling. Castillo. Woo! Three-pointer for Castillo. Bang bang. Castillo. Hooray! D. Three-pointer. No good. Vicencio got the ball. To Fernandez. Fernandez to Castillo. Castillo again. Castillo got blocked by Mariano. Single. "14 seconds to shoot. Corner three, no good. Same ball. "14 seconds on the shot clock. Castillo. 10 seconds to shoot. Castillo kick out, wing, three-pointer. No good. Mariano got the rebound. Mariano attacks. Mariano to D. To Sardea, wide open, three-pointer. To Dinita. To Urbito. To Pili. When banana. To Urbito again. Turn over. Both teams ready, change 5. Thank you so much. Castillo to Fernandez. Back to Castillo. Castillo to Vicencio. Vicencio on the break. Steal by D. D to Mariano. Mariano. 2 points. Castillo bringing down the ball. Defended by Sardea. 14 seconds to shoot. Castillo to Castro. Castro, three-pointer. No good. Pili got the rebound. Pili to B. B. Where's me? To Mariano. Mariano. 2 points for Mariano. Change 5. Tie game. All 11. Number 4, tuck in. Proper tuck in both teams, please. Thank you so much. Robin Zapata. Pato Robin Zapata. Verdadero to M. Zapata. No good. Ablasa got the rebound. Number 6. To Ilagan. Ilagan, three-pointer. No good. Number 22 got the rebound. Number 22. To number 38, Don. To Castro. To M. Zapata. Back to number 22. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 38. Dribbling to Verdadero. 5 seconds to shoot. Number 22. No good. Ilagan got the ball. The Dios on the run. De Dios to Santiago. Santiago laying no good. And Zapata to Robin Zapata to Verdadero. Verdadero 2 points. 2-point lead for Big Z. De Dios to Ilagan. 14 seconds to shoot. Santiago to Ablaza. Ablaza 2 points. Sergio 2 points. Robin Zapata. 3-pointer. Robin Zapata is good. 3. Sob Robin. De Dios to Santiago. Santiago to Ablaza. Ablaza. No good. Rebound by Ilagan. Second chance opportunities. Good. 2 points for Ilagan. 1 point lead. Big Z. Verdadero, attack! Verdadero, no good. Rebounded by Ablaza. De Dios on the run. De Dios, 2-pointer. No good. Ilagan get the ball. Ilagan again, 2 points. Zapata. Attacks. Zapata. 2. Number 38 to Verdadero. Verdadero. To number 22, no good. Ilagan to Ablaza, 1v1. Ablaza to Santiago. Santiago, 2 points. Blue Ridge got their first lead. 14 seconds to shoot. Zapata, 3-pointer again. Is good. Robin Zapata. Tie game. Mosquera de Dios. 14 seconds to shoot. De Dios to Ilagan. Ilagan attacking the paint. Ilagan loaders with 2 points. Ilagan. Zapata surveying the D. Lead defended by Santiago. Zapata, 3-pointer, got fouled. Number 26, first personal foul, number 26. First team foul. 3 free throws for Zapata, Robin. First free throw is good for Robin Zapata. Second free throw no good for Robin Zapata. Third free throw is good for Robin Zapata. 2 out of 1. De Dios to Santiago. 14 seconds to shoot. Santiago to De Dios. De Dios to Mosquera. Mosquera to Ablaza. 5 seconds to shoot. Santiago. No good, but get fouled. Foul number 10, first personal foul. Second team foul. 2 free throws for Santiago. First free throw is good for Santiago. Second free throw is good for Santiago. 2-point lead for Blue Ridge. Verdadero. 14 seconds to shoot. Zapata, being defended by De Dios. Zapata to number 38. Number 38. 3 points for number 38. Ilagan. Attacking Ilagan. 2 points again for Ilagan. Zapata to Verdadero. Verdadero to M. Zapata to Verdadero again. Verdadero no good. Rebounded by De Dios. De Dios running. De Dios. 3-pointer is good. 3 for De Dios. 20 seconds. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Zapata to Verdadero. What a pass. 2 points. End of the first quarter. 2-point lead for Blue Ridge. Back to the ball game. Start of the second quarter. D. To Mariano. Mariano. To Saldea. Oh, so good. Castillo got the rebound. Castillo to Bautista. Bautista back to Castillo. Castillo to Fernandez to Vicencio. Vicencio, 2 points for Vicencio. 2. Woo. Mariano to Banana. Back to Mariano to D. 3-pointer. No good. Rebounded by Vicencio. Castillo. 14 seconds to shoot. To Bautista. Bautista, 3-pointer. No good. Rebounded by Mariano. Mariano. Jumper Mariano is good. 2 points for Mariano. Castillo. 14 seconds to shoot. Castillo to Fernandez. Fernandez. Back to Castillo. 10 seconds. Castillo, 3-pointer. Castillo, 3. One-point lead for Big ZS boys. D. Turnover. Fernandez to Castillo. Castillo on the run. Castillo attacking. Castillo got fouled. Foul number 16, first personal foul. First team foul. First free throw is good for Castillo. Second free throw is good for Castillo. D. To Mariano. Mariano. Jumper again. No good. Fernandez got the ball. Fernandez to Castillo. 2-point lead for Big Z. Castillo, 3-pointer again. No good. D got the rebound. D running. D spin bomb to Billy. Billy, 2 points. Web Banana, 2 points. 1-point lead for Big Z. Fernandez. 14 seconds to shoot. No good, but got fouled. Foul number 29. First personal foul for Billy, number 29. Second team foul. First free throw is good for number 29. Second free throw no good for Vicente. D to Sardea. Sardea jumper. No good. Billy got the ball. Cody Billy. No good, but got fouled. Foul number 5. First personal foul number 5. First team foul. First free throw no good for Cody Billy. Second free throw, no good for Cody P. Castillo to Fernandez. Corner three is good. Fernandez three. 5-point lead for Big Z. B to Sardea. Wide open, 3-pointer, Sardea. No good. Rebounded by Vicencio. Vicencio to Castillo. Turnover. Mariano got the ball. Mariano floater. No good. Castillo got the ball. Castillo. Fernandez all alone. 2 points. Fernandez. B. Torbito back to D. To Mariano. Mariano 3-pointer. Wide open shot is good. Mariano 3 points. 4-point lead for Big Z.
Okay, warningan mo for delaying the game. Number 16.
Number 16, warning for delaying the game. Number 16, warning for delaying the game. Castillo. Turn over. D. Bringing down the ball. D. To Mariano. Mariano back to D. To Sardea. To Orbito. Cobra shot no good. Vicencio got the ball. Vicencio. To Castillo. Castillo attack. D got the ball to Mariano. Mariano. 2 points. Mariano. 2-point lead for Big ZS boys. 39-37 official score. 2-point lead for Big ZS boys. Remaining time 5 minutes and 16 seconds. Castillo, long on 3-pointer. No good. D, got the ball to Mariano. Alley-oop. 2 points. Change 5. Number all 39 our official score. 5 games. Number 21, Castro. To Robin Zapata. Robin Zapata. To number 38, Don. 3-pointer. Is good. Don. Correct. Dios to Santiago. Mr. Contact Lens. No good. Ilagan got the ball. Ilagan. Back to Santiago. Santiago again. 3-pointer. Is good. Mr. Contact Lens. Ray. Zapata. Tugador. Number 22. Same ball. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Castro. Attack. Castro floater. No good. Ilagan got the ball. Ilagan got fouled.
21.
Foul number 21. Second personal foul. Second team foul. De Dios. 3-pointer, De Dios. No good. Robin Zapata got the rebound. To Castro. De Dios got the ball. De Dios to Santiago. Santiago attacking the paint. No good. Number 32 got the ball. Pass to Verdadero. Verdadero 3v1 situation. Zapata to Verdadero. Verdadero, 2 points, assist by Zapata. 2-point lead for Big ZS Boys. Mosquera to De Dios, surveying the beat. 14 seconds to shoot. Mosquera to Ablaza. Ablaza jumper is good. 2 points for Ablaza. Verdadero waiting for his teammates. Verdadero to Don. To Verdadero again. 10 seconds to shoot. Happening violation. De Dios. To Santiago, tip pass. Robin Zapata running. Robin Zapata attacking. 2-pointer. Robin Zapata parang SDA pero hindi na shoot. A blast to Santiago. Santiago jumper is good. 2 points board. Mosquera still. Mosquera to De Dios. De Dios midi. No good. 2-point lead for Blue Ridge. Robin Zapata dribbling. Robin Zapata being defended by De Dios. To Don. Don 3-pointer is good. Great Don. 1-point lead for Big ZS Boys. De Dios. To Mosquera. Back to De Dios. De Dios. Tip pass. Santiago got the ball to Ilagan. Ilagan na paying 2 points. Not count. But fouled. Foul number 21, third personal foul. Third team foul. 14 seconds on the shot clock. De Dios. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Ilagan to Mosquera. Mosquera, the winner. No good. To Don. Don to Castro. Castro to Mosquera. Mosquera to De Dios. De Dios. No good. Rebound by number 38 to Verdadero. Verdadero to Castro. Castro jumper is good. 2 points for Castro. Mosquera waiting for his teammates to Ilagan. Ilagan, 3-pointer is good. 3 points for Ilagan. Tie game, all 49, our official score. Verdadero, no good. Rebounded by Ablaza to De Dios. De Dios running. De Dios attacking to Ablaza. Turnover. Verdadero with the ball. Verdadero to Gador. Mosquera. Ilagan, 3-pointer again. Wide open shot. No good. De Dios rebound. De Dios. No good. Santiago with the rebound. Santiago. Turnover. 36.3 seconds remaining. Castro bringing down the ball. Back to Robin Zapata. 25 seconds remaining. 14 seconds to shoot. 20 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. 15 seconds. Zapata, logo three-pointer, no good. Rebounded by Ablaza. Ablaza to Santiago. Santiago. 2 points for Santiago. 3 seconds. Castro. No time. End of the first half. 2-point lead for Blue Ridge. Before the second half start, F1B team would like to thank the following sponsors. Kalos PH, Marquis, Rapelo, Zilda, Santis, Palatala, and Roxy Logan. Thank you so much, sponsors. I love you all. Another one.
Ayy, roll a cash for a couple shot clocks. But I hit him with them brown with the dog blocks. Eat the cake, then stuck on my toe flesh. Hitting them home runs, I be like, yo, man. I wanna do that still check me when he mad. Type the cotton diamonds, he can miss me with them bags.
Pahinga ka na, pahinga.
Start of the second half. Castillo got the ball. Castillo being defended by G. Castillo to Robin Zapata. Robin Zapata. To Pablo Noguera. To Pablo by Mariano. Mariano. Running. Mariano to Pili. Pili. Got blocked by Froud. Foul number 13. First personal foul number 13. First team foul. First free throw no good for Billy. Second free throw is good for Billy. Zapata. To Vicento. Vicento being defended by Ilagan. Vicento versus Ilagan. Vicento, 2 points. Vicento. 1 point lead, Blue Ridge. D to Mariano. Mariano surveying the D. Mariano, 3-pointer is good. Mariano, 3 points. Castillo, defended by D. Castillo to Vicencio. Vicencio versus Ilagan again. 8 seconds to shoot. Vicencio, no good. Rebounded by Mariano. Mariano to Billy. 1v1 situation. Billy! 2 points. Cody Billy. Castillo running. Castillo attacking. Castillo, 2 points. Castillo. For Roxy Logan. Mariano attacking. Mariano, no good. Rebounded by Vicencio. To Castillo. To Zapata. Malakas ang pasa ni Castillo kay Zapata. Mariano to D. D bringing down the ball. D to Santiago. 14 seconds to shoot. Santiago to Mariano. Mariano jumper. No good. Rebounded by Vicencio. Castillo. Castillo running. Castillo attacking. Castillo. No good but foul. Foul number 77. First personal foul number 77. First team foul. First free throw is good for Castillo. Second free throw is good for Castillo. De Dios to Mariano. Back to De Dios. 14 seconds to shoot. De Dios to Mariano. 10 seconds to shoot. Mariano attack floater. Mariano no good. Big CS boys ball. 2-point lead for Blue Ridge. Our official score is 57-55 in favor pa din ng Blue Ridge. Castillo to Vicencio. Vicencio versus Yagan again. Vicencio reverse the leg is good. 2 points. De Dios to Mariano. Mariano to D. D. Attacking 14 seconds to shoot. D. No good. Fernandez got the ball. Fernandez to Castillo. Castillo dribbling. Castillo attacking. Castillo got fouled. Foul number 6. First personal foul number 6. Second team foul. Fernandez to Zapata. Zapata attacking. Zapata. Timeout, Blue Ridge. Grabe ka, Sub at La Paz. Back to the ball game. De Dios to D. To De Dios. De Dios, number. No good. Rebounded by Vicencio. Castillo. 14 seconds to shoot. Vicencio. No good. De Dios, Pili. No good. Pili again. Pili. Got blocked. Foul number 13. Second personal foul number 13. Second team foul. Substitution. Ilagan in, Santiago out. First free throw is good for Billy. Second free throw is good for Billy.
Kawawa sila lalo pag 1-2 yan.
10 seconds to shoot. Fernandez. Corner three is good. Three-pointer. Santiago to Billy. Billy 2 points. Billy 2 points. 1 point lead for Big CS boys. Castillo to Fernandez again. Back to Castillo. Castillo attacking Castillo. 2 points. Lane.
Mas mamamatay yung dito natin.
Sasabihin ko eh.
14 seconds on the shot clock. Castillo to Verdadero. Verdadero. 2 points. Verdadero. D. Got double team. Mariano wide open. Tibone. No good. Billy. Second chance opportunity is good for Billy. 3-point lead for Big C. Castillo to Fernandez. Corner three. Fernandez is good. Three. D. To Mariano. Mariano to Billy. Billy. 2 points. And 1. Foul number 29, first personal foul. Third team foul. Bonus free throw for Billy. Bonus free throw no good for Billy. "14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Fernandez again. No good. Mariano. Jumper. No good. Castillo got the rebound to Verdadero. Verdadero. Verdadero got fouled. Foul number 77. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Blue Ridge. First free throw is good for Verdadero. 5-point lead. Second free throw no good for Verdadero. D to Santiago. Santiago. 14 seconds to shoot. Santiago to the Dios. Traveling violation. Fourteen seconds to shoot. Zapata attacking. Zapata. D got the ball. D to Mariano. 3v1. Turnover. Big ZS boys ball. Castillo. Their point guard brings down the ball. Castillo. Castillo blocked by Mariano. Vicencio got the ball. Vicencio. No good. They just get the ball. Fernandez got the ball. to Castillo. Castillo, three-pointer. No good. Vicente got the ball again. Back to Castillo. Castillo number. No good. Santiago got the ball to Mariano. Mariano all alone. Easy 2 points, Mariano. 3-point lead. Three-point lead for Big Z. Zapata Longre. No good. Verdadero got the ball. Verdadero attacking. Simple. Substitution. Ten seconds on the shot clock. Vicencio. No good. Rebounded by Ilagan. De Dios. To Ilagan. Fourteen seconds to shoot. Mariano, spin. Mariano got fouled. Number 30. Third personal foul, number 30. Both teams warning for penalty. 2 free throws for Mariano. First free throw no good for Mariano. Second free throw is good for Mariano. 2-point lead for Big Z Sports. Zapata. 14 seconds to shoot. Verdadero. No good. Pili to Mariano. Mariano running. Mariano attacking. Mariano. Got double team. 14 seconds to shoot. Pili got fouled again. Foul number 29, second personal foul, penalty. First free throw no good for Pili. Second free throw no good for Pili. Zapata to Castillo. Castillo. No good. Mariano got the rebound. Mariano to Santiago. 35 seconds. Ilagan. No good. Verdadero got the rebound. 30 seconds. Verdadero. Castillo. Easy 2 points. 20 seconds. 15 seconds. De Dios to Pili. Pili no good. 10 seconds. Santiago got the ball. 5 seconds. Pili, 2 points. Russell Miller. 2-point lead for Big CS boys. We are heading to our final quarter. Start of our last quarter.
Inilipat ka. Ba't pera na?
Santiago to D. D to Ilagan. D again got the ball. D attacking. D violation. Zamanda. Castillo. Castillo. Castillo, 2 points for Castillo. 4-point lead for Big ZS Boys. De Dios. To D. Back to De Dios. 14 seconds to shoot. De Dios. To D again. Corner 3. No good. Big ZS Boys ball. 4-point lead for Big ZS Boys. 74-70 our official score. Zapata to Bernadero to Fernandez. Fernandez all alone. Three-pointer is good. Fernandez 3. De Dios to Ablasa. Ablasa to D. To De Dios. 10 seconds to shoot to Santiago. Santiago no good. Ilagan got the ball. Number 30, fourth personal foul. First team foul. Ilagan to De Dios. De Dios, three-pointer. No good. Bernadero got the ball. Bernadero to Zapata. Zapata. Got the ball. Zapata. No good. D. To Ablaza. Ablaza 2 points. Assist by D. Bernadero. Bernadero. Got fouled. Who's fouled it? First, number 4, first personal foul. First team foul. 5-point lead for Blue Ridge. Oh, for PC. First free throw is good for Bernadero. Second free throw is good for Bernadero. Substitution. D. Back to D. D to De Dios. De Dios to Santiago. To Mariano. Mariano. Fake. Mariano jumper. No good. Rebounded by De Dios. Second chance opportunity is good for De Dios. 2 points. Castillo to Zapata. Zapata being defended by Mariano. Vicencio versus Santiago. Vicencio. 2 points for Vicencio. What a menace on the paint. D. Traveling violation. Number 33. Seven-point lead for Big ZS Boys. Official score 81-74. Time remaining 77 minutes and 6 seconds. Zapata. Castillo. Wait. 14 seconds to shoot. Castillo, long range. Oh, good. Excuse me po, kung kanino man po yung coaching white, hindi daw po makapasok sa parking area, nakaharang. Pakitanggal po. Coaching white. Coaching white po, nakaharang sa may gate. Pakitanggal daw po. Maraming salamat. Meh. Bernadero. Castillo to to Fernandez. Fernandez scoring three again. No good. Rebounded by D. To De Dios. De Dios. Waiting for his teammate. De Dios jumper. No good. Rebounded by Fernandez. 5-point lead for Big ZS boys. Zapata. 14 seconds to shoot. Zapata attacking to Fernandez corner. Three. No good. Rebounded by Vicencio. Pili got the ball. Pili running. Pili attacking. Pili to Mariano. Mariano. 2 points and got fouled. Foul number 29. Third personal foul. 13 foul. Bonus free throw is good for Mariano. 2-point lead for Big ZS boys. Castillo back to Zapata. Zapata to Bernardo Castillo. The baller is good. Castillo. Hooray! 5-point lead again for Big ZS boys. 14 seconds to shoot. Mariano to Santiago. Santiago to B. B no good. Rebounded by Fernandez. Fernandez to Zapata. Zapata to Verdadero. 14 seconds to shoot. Verdadero attacking. Verdadero. Kick out to Castillo. Castillo. Rebounded again by Robin. It's good. 3 points again for Castillo. Mariano to Billy. Billy. No good. Billy again. 2 points. Billy. Zapata. 13 seconds to shoot to Castillo. Castillo attacking. Castillo. Get fouled. Foul number 6, second personal foul. 17 foul. Zapata back to Bernadero to Vicencio. 10 seconds to shoot. Vicencio jumper no good. Rebounded by Tilly. Mariano running. Mariano stop. Mariano attacking. Mariano. Ilagan got the ball. Ilagan 2 points. 5-point lead. Bernadero. Easy 2 points. 7-point lead again. B. Being defended by Zapata. B to Santiago. Santiago maybe. No good. Rebounded by Vicencio. Vicencio back to Zapata. Zapata. Being defended by B. 14 seconds to shoot. Castillo, Lobby. No good. Ilagan got the rebound. Ilagan. Turnover. Zapata got the ball. Zapata. Dribbling, Zapata attacking, Zapata kick out to Fernandez. Fernandez 3-pointer. No good. Rebounded by Mariano. Mariano running. Mariano to Ilagan. Ilagan no good. Rebounded by Castillo. Castillo to Verdadero. Verdadero to Zapata. Zapata picks. Zapata. Zapata no good. Rebounded by Pulu. Back Vicencio got the ball. 2 points for Vicencio. Time out there for Blue Ridge. 9-point lead. Nine-point lead for Big ZS boys. Official score at 91-82. Still in favor of Big ZS boys. Blue Ridge, isa na lang po ang inyong timeout. Time remaining 3 minutes and 7 seconds. Mariano to D. D dribbling D. 2 points for D. Zapata. Zapata being defended by Mariano. 14 seconds to shoot. Castillo. 10 seconds to shoot. Castillo being defended by T. Castillo, attacking Castillo, no good. Rebounded by Pili. Pili running. Pili to D. D. 3-pointer, no good. So Robin got the ball. Verdadero. Deep pass, but Vicencio managed to get the ball. 14 seconds to shoot. Vicencio, dribbling. Vicencio to Fernandez. Fernandez fake. Fernandez to Castillo. Castillo 3-pointer. Short. Pili got the ball. Santiago. Last 2 minutes. Santiago no good. Big CS boys, boy. Substitution. Fourteen seconds to shoot. Zapata versus Mariano. 8 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. 3 seconds to shoot. 24 seconds shot clock violation. D. Attacking. D. Lothar is good, 2 points. Five-point lead for Big CS boys. Fernandez to Verdadero. Verdadero being defended by Pili. 14 seconds to shoot. Verdadero to Vicencio. To break pass. Vicencio 2 points. D. Attacking. D. Loader again, no good. Pili rebound. Second shot opportunity is good for Pili. Zapata being defended by Dios. Zapata running. 14 seconds to shoot. Zapata to Verdadero. 10 seconds to shoot. Verdadero attacking. 1. Vicencio. 5 seconds to shoot. Vicencio jumper. No good. Pili rebounded the ball. Traveling violation. 28.6 seconds remaining. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Seconds. 5 seconds. Foul number 77. Third personal foul for number 77. 13 foul. 18.8 seconds remaining. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Foul number 77, third personal foul. Warning for penalty, Blue Ridge. 12.7 seconds remaining on the shot clock. Correction. Foul. Penalty. Number 77. Number 77, Bradway. Fifth personal foul. Penalty. First free throw is good for Castillo. 10.8 seconds remaining on the shot clock. Second free throw no good. The long three. No good. Out of bounds. 3.5 seconds remaining. The final score, 94-88. Big CS boys take the W. Both teams, before we head home, picture muna, both teams.